Hello everyone, this is Zhengzhou Hengfa Bearings, the official authorized distributor of SKF in China. We not only have SKF brand stores, but also have our own super large storage center, genuine stock, ready to ship as soon as ordered. Today I will take you to experience the unboxing of SKF spherical roller bearings, immersively, without editing, and the quality is visible. If you need it, you can leave a message in the comment area, or send me a private message, and I will send you more detailed product photos.